Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker JBL Grip in the application. You have to start by open JBL Portable app. Your speaker, of course, should be connected with the app, and then the application open for you speaker menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then scroll down and go to product information at the bottom. Now click rename my product and then tap at the name line. And right here we can remove some text and add some text. The most important is to click save to save this new name, close, and we did it. Now as you can see we have the new name. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.